Today we're going to be talking about more about percent. Percent means per cent, per 100, anything out of 100. So show me 2/5. So let's draw this. So this represents 100 squared. So I'm going to split this up into 5. So I'm splitting it into 5 equal parts. And it says 2 out of 5. Here is 2 out of 5. How many squares or units are in 2/5? Each one has 10, 20. So each bar has 20, 40. So it's 40 hundredths. Again, how could I also do this without visual representation? How do you say this as a division problem? 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5. The numerator always goes inside. Can 5 go into 0 time? Annex a 0. Can 5 goes into 20? 4 times. 0 and 4/10 is the decimal. So the fraction is 2/5. The decimal. But out of these 100 square units, how many did I circle? I circled 40 out of 100, which represents 40%. Another way you can see it is if you know 4/10, 4 groups of tenths, that's 40. So if you annex a 0, there's where you see 40%. Let's try another example. 7/20. So that is a fraction. What decimal and percent is 7/20? Well, we can do it with the model or with the mathematics. Let's do the model first. So I'm going to split this up into 20 equal parts. Oh, as you can tell, I'm not doing a very good job. So I'm splitting up into 20 equal parts. I need to shade in, or I need to count 7 of the 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many did I shade in? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That's 35 out of 100. So what decimal is it? 35 hundredths. So a percent is anything out of 100 per 100, so it's 35%. Another way I could do it is, how do I say this as a division problem? 7 divided by 20. 7 divided by 20, which is 7 goes inside. Can 20 go in 7? 0 times. How do I continue on? Annex a 0. How many 20s, groups of 20, go into 70? 3 groups. 70 minus 60 is 10. Annex another 0. Bring it down. How many groups of 20 go into 100? 5 groups. And that's where you get 3,500 or 35%. And so again, a percent is anything out of 100 per 100.